So what do you do if you want a garden, to be more specific, a vegetable garden, and you don't have the space? You don't have a yard. Maybe you just have a porch, a balcony, a terrace, something small, but you still want to grow stuff. You still want to grow healthy, fresh produce. This may be the answer. A mini garden, a table garden, porch garden, whatever you choose to call it. What I've done here is assembled things that I've grown in containers that were going to be discarded, and I used several of these for my Buy It or Build It series. I'm the Frugal Gardener. I garden in Zone 7A, formerly Zone 6B, and this is an idea I wanted to share with you guys today. You don't have to have a massive garden space. I mean, of course, you're not going to get the same results, but here are a few things that you can grow. I mean, these are cherry tomatoes, so you're not going to be able to grow regular large size uh, tomatoes in a container this size. This is probably enough for two small plants. I may even have to remove one of these. Uh, these, this is garlic. I mean, it's not uh, something that a lot of gardeners grow during the summer, but it's something that you can grow in a small container. In this case, it's a dish pan. This here, I'm growing sage in an old coffee container. Now, this is a work in progress because this sage, some of these are going to have to come out. There's three. I'm probably going to end up with one. These are more tomatoes. This is probably going to stay as is. The trick is to go vertical when you can. The taller the container, the less space it's going to take up. This is lavender. This is, there were two in here. Now there's one. I mean, you can't eat it, but most of what you see here, you can grow in containers. And you can see I got all this on one table. So this is the exception. Um, this is Malabar spinach, and these are starters. So if you want to grow Malabar spinach, I would take probably all these out and maybe leave one or two, because these puppies can get large. These can go 20 feet, which is good and bad. It's good because it's going to grow off the side of your table, and you can probably use it as a trellis, but it's bad because you can't grow as many of these as you want. This is a hot weather crop, and this one, carrots. I have grown carrots in containers for many years. I've done several videos on it, and this one is doing okay. We just came out of a heat wave, 7 straight days of above 90 degree temperatures. So some of these, they need a little bit of relief, but they're still looking good. And I saved this one for last. I almost didn't include this. These are peppers, bell peppers, and they're in a grow bag. And this is what I mean when I say vertical. You want something that's not going to take up a lot of surface space, but it's going to go up. And you can see these are already budding. There's already uh, flowers on here. And pretty soon, you're going to have bell peppers. So we have bell peppers, we have carrots, we have garlic, we have sage, we have tomatoes, we have lavender, we have Malabar spinach. So this is quite a collection that you can easily put something like this together. I'll put a link to my Buy It or Build It series, because half of these I put together during that series. You can use store-bought containers if that's all you have, but the point is to get you out of thinking that you cannot grow your own food if you don't have a large space. So I recommend that you go to the next video, which should be showing up on your screen right about now, and it will show you how I planted most of what you see here. I am the Frugal Gardener. I hope you guys have a great day. And remember, when you grow your own food, you'll always know where it comes from. I will catch you guys on Friday with the next Buy It or Build It. Hope you have a great day.